This is so frustrating. After converting the scanned documents to PDF, I still can't edit them. What should I do? Convert these PDFs into an editable format like Word. Make changes. Log in to the Make platform and create a new scenario. Open Google Drive. Upload all your documents to Google Drive. And then click here to select Google Drive. Download a file. Choose the document you want to convert and click Save. Next, select ComPDF Kit PDF Converter, a tool that supports comprehensive PDF conversions. In ComPDF Kit, select the format you want to convert to, like Word, Excel, PPT, TXT. For this example, we'll use Word. Go to the ComPDF API dashboard to get your license and connect the ComPDF Kit PDF Converter. ComPDF's free account allows you to process up to 1,000 documents per month, which is sufficient for most individuals or small teams. Then choose Upload a file and upload the PDF file you want to convert. On the ComPDF API reference page, you'll find detailed sample code for each conversion tool parameter and what each parameter does. Copy the parameters and return to Make to paste them into the relevant fields. Set the parameters based on your document needs. You can leave the other parameters as default or delete them. Choose Start a task. Then set up a repeater to repeat the next step. Select Get File Information. Now set up two routes. Tools, if the result is not generated, it will return to refetch file information. HTTP, if the document is generated, it will return the generated file's URL. Choose Google Drive. Upload a file. Select the destination folder and save the converted file. Choose JSON, parse JSON, and input a brief command. Finally, right-click to select Add Error Handler. Commit to finish the process. Once done, your automated conversion workflow should look like this. Click Run once to start the automatic conversion. After conversion, you can check and download the converted files from Google Drive. If you need to convert more files, just click Run once again. When all documents are converted, open Google Drive and you'll see that all files have been successfully converted. Download one of the files. Open it, and you can edit and change the content casually. Install PDF Reader Pro powered by ComPDF Kit on your desktop. Launch the software and click Batch. This will provide various batch modes for PDF functionalities. Add all the PDF documents you need to convert. Select the target format like Word. Click Convert and choose the file destination for saving. Once the conversion is complete, open the document and edit it. It's really easy to achieve. Clearly, both methods can meet your needs. Using the ComPDF Kit plus Make combination, you can achieve automated conversions without any restrictions on document size or quantity, and it's completely free. With PDF Reader Pro, you can perform a batch conversion in one go, but it comes with a cost. Additionally, ComPDF Kit is about to release Conversion SDK v3.0.0, which adopts a hybrid layout mode that retains both text flow and layout formatting, significantly improving conversion quality and speed. That's it. See you next time.